Did you know Jamaica never had its own money until 1969?
What?
For centuries, we were spending British pounds. Here's why that matters. Before 1969, Jamaica didn't use dollars, we used British currency. The official money was the Jamaican pound, based directly on the British sterling system. 12 pence 1 shilling, 20 shillings 1 pound. This system was confusing, outdated, and 100% colonial. Everything from salaries to supermarket prices was controlled under Britain's monetary style. Even our coins had the Queen's face on them. But in 1969, the Bank of Jamaica finally launched the Jamaican dollar to replace the pound. We switched to a decimal system like the US, with 100 cents $1, and the exchange set at £1 2 Jamaican dollars. But here's the truth. Even after switching to dollars, we never truly owned our economy. We still depend on foreign currencies, foreign banks, and foreign imports. The money might look Jamaican now, but the system still has colonial fingerprints all over it. Follow for more facts they don't teach in school, and subscribe to my YouTube for the full breakdown.